Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best cooking spray is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any kitchen, promising a flawless cooking experience by preventing food from sticking to your pans and baking sheets, ensuring that every dish you prepare, from delicate pancakes to savory stir-fries, comes out perfectly without the frustration of burnt-on residue. This simple spray can elevate your culinary creations and make cleanup a breeze, allowing you to focus more on the joy of cooking and less on the scrubbing afterward, truly a game-changer for home chefs of all levels. Number 5. Pompeian 100% Avocado Oil Cooking Spray. Introducing Pompeian's 100% Avocado Oil Cooking Spray. It's made with pure avocado oil for a healthy cooking experience. Unlike other cooking sprays, this one contains no propellants. You get pure oil with every spray, ensuring a clean and natural cooking process. Its high smoke point makes it perfect for all your high-heat cooking needs. Enjoy searing, roasting, and grilling without worry. Experience a subtle, nutty flavor that enhances your dishes. It's ideal for stir-fries, roasting vegetables, and grilling meats. This 5 fluid ounces can is a versatile addition to any kitchen. Elevate your everyday cooking with its natural goodness and convenience. What we like. This option is made with 100% avocado oil, offering a natural and healthy choice. It contains no propellants, making it a cleaner spray. If you are looking for a high-heat cooking oil for stir-frying, roasting, or grilling with a mild nutty flavor, this is a great pick. What people say. This is a great cooking spray that really works well. It provides a non-stick surface that makes cooking and cleaning a breeze. The spray is easy to use and distributes evenly. Number 4. Crisco No-Stick Cooking Spray, Butter. Tired of food sticking to your pans? Say goodbye to scrubbing and hello to easy cleanup with our butter-flavored cooking spray. Achieve golden brown perfection every time. Its light coating prevents sticking, ensuring your culinary creations turn out beautifully. Enjoy the delicious taste of butter without the mess. This spray adds a subtle flavor while keeping everything from sliding off the pan. Make meal preparation a breeze. A quick spray is all you need to ensure your food releases easily from any cookware. This is a must-have for any home cook. It simplifies cooking and baking, making your time in the kitchen more enjoyable. What we like. Enjoy the rich taste of butter with this no-stick cooking spray. It's perfect for adding a delicious flavor to your baked goods and everyday cooking. If you love the taste of butter and want a reliable non-stick coating for your pans, especially for baking, this is the one for you. What people say. I love this cooking spray, it works great for my air fryer and keeps food from sticking. This non-stick cooking spray is a game changer for baking. My cakes and cookies come out perfectly without any sticking. I've tried many cooking sprays, but this one is by far the best. It provides an even coat and prevents food from sticking to the pan. Number 3. Crisco Original No-Stick Cooking Spray. Tired of food sticking to your pans? Say goodbye to scrubbing and hello to easy cleanup with our original no-stick cooking spray. Achieve golden brown perfection on all your favorite dishes. It creates a reliable barrier, ensuring your food releases easily from any cookware. Just a quick spray is all it takes. Enjoy cooking your meals without the worry of sticking, making every bite a delight. This essential kitchen tool makes cooking and baking a breeze. It's designed for convenience, helping you create delicious meals with less mess. From the brand you know and trust, our no-stick spray delivers consistent performance. Experience the difference quality ingredients make in your kitchen. What we like. This is the classic, no-fuss option for everyday cooking needs. It provides a dependable no-stick surface for a variety of dishes. If you prefer a straightforward, versatile cooking spray that works well for all your general cooking and baking tasks, this original formula is a solid choice. What people say. This cooking spray is a game changer for non-stick cooking. It creates a perfect barrier that prevents food from sticking to the pan, making cleanup a breeze. I love how evenly this spray coats the cooking surface. No more hot spots or unevenly cooked food. It's perfect for everything from eggs to delicate fish. Number 2. Canola Cooking Spray. Tired of food sticking to your pans? Discover the easy way to cook and clean. Enjoy your favorite meals with less fat. It's a healthier option for your family. Perfect for baking, frying, and sautéing. Use it on any dish you can imagine. Get more for your money with this convenient pack. You'll have plenty for all your cooking needs. Just a quick spray is all you need. Make cooking and cleanup a breeze. What we like. Get more for your money with this value pack of canola oil cooking spray. You'll have plenty on hand for all your cooking needs. If you're looking for an economical option and frequently use cooking spray for everyday meals and baking, this multi-can pack offers great convenience and savings. What people say. This cooking spray is a game changer for non-stick cooking. It creates a perfect barrier that prevents food from sticking, even with delicate items like fish or eggs. The spray is fine and even, coating the pan uniformly without any greasy residue. I love how this spray allows me to use less oil while still achieving excellent non-stick results. My pans stay clean, and cleanup is a breeze. It's a healthier alternative to traditional cooking oils and works wonderfully for baking too. Number 1. Chosen Foods Avocado Oil Spray 2-pack. Introducing the Chosen Foods Avocado Oil Spray. It's made with 100% pure avocado oil, perfect for all your cooking needs. Enjoy healthier meals with our convenient spray. It provides a light, even coat for sautéing, baking, and roasting. From searing to dressing, this oil is incredibly versatile. It's your go-to for everyday cooking. Get more value with this 2-pack. You'll always have a bottle ready when you need it. Elevate your dishes with the simple goodness of avocado oil. Cooking has never been easier or tastier. What we like. This 2-pack features cooking spray made from 100% avocado oil, a popular healthy fat. It's a convenient way to stock up on this kitchen staple. If you prioritize healthy cooking oils and want a reliable non-stick spray for high-heat applications like searing and sautéing, this duo is an excellent option. What people say. This cooking spray is a game changer for anyone who loves to cook but hates the cleanup. It creates a non-stick surface that makes food release effortlessly, saving you time and frustration. The fine mist spray ensures even coating without any pooling or greasy residue, which is perfect for delicate foods like eggs or fish. It truly lives up to its non-stick promise, making baking and frying a breeze. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.